August 26th, 2020. Just a quick checkup on the honeybees. I can't tell if that's good traffic or robbing activity. I'm going to go in and take a closer look here. Nope. Pretty sure that's traffic. That's good. That reminds me though, it's about time to start getting entrance restrictors back on. Close up the entrance a little bit, make it a little easier for them to defend their resources, both from other honeybees and also from yellow jackets and the like. This is about the time of year yellow jacket nests seem to really gear up strong, and I don't want to mess with my ladies. Wow, yeah, lots of traffic coming in there. I was watching last night in the evening. I just couldn't believe how much pollen was streaming into these hives last night. It's incredible. These guys are really pulling some tremendous resources right now. And my plan is to go into these hives later today, assuming I don't run into any major time crunches, and have a look-see. See how they're doing at building up big honey resources, and see if we're going to be able to steal some of it this year from them. Because let's face it, that's what it is. Alright, let's have a glance at the top of our hive quick while we're here. Same here, lots of good traffic. Not quite as active here as the Swarm 1 and Swarm 2. But looking good. Alright, just another quick update. And how much the honeybees like it and go after it. Just wanted to get another shot of this buckwheat. This is the new planting in the upper block. And this is the older planting with the sunflowers. You can see the sunflowers are popping up out of here. And the buckwheat is opening to flower. We're starting to see some pollinators come in. In fact, I see a couple honeybees, I think, over that way more. And I'm sure they'll be in this more as it progresses into flower. And also I'm going to give this an irrigation shot tonight. It's a little dry, and that'll help boost on nectar and flowering and all that. Alright, just a quick update. Seeing my first honeybees in the Japanese knotweed today. So that's encouraging, and these flowers are just starting to open. So in another couple days, this bush will just be buzzing like its own little beehive. And I can't wait to share it with you, because it's a beautiful thing.